natural habitat.
The glue pit.
The glue pit. Soon to be.
That's where I belong. Except for the glue, I really actually like the glue pit. It's when it's really, really hot outside that I don't like the glue pit.
Just like today.
Just like today. I have a good idea though. I mean, it's gonna get so much hotter. When you have the mask on, that's really, a beard and a mask is like the worst combo when it's hot.
You can imagine.
Yeah. But my idea is I'm just gonna like periodically keep soaking my shirt and wearing that.
Willie, are you peeing? What's going on?
No, I'm just keeping cool. It's hot out. Not used to this.
Wait, what did you do? You just soaked it in water?
Yeah. Like a Band-Aid, right on.
Usually you don't put it's not painful to put Band-Aids on usually. If it is, you're probably doing it wrong.
You know that feeling, that horrible feling when you're
I know.
the little specks of water? It's like once it... You just gotta get used to it.
It's that first dip.
Yeah, first dip. That's what I do.
It's a good call.
Did it last year as a trick I learned. Honestly, Josh, there's that kiddie pool set up over there. I might just take a dunk in that from time to time.
Dunk in the kiddie pool. It kind of looks like a pile of snakes.
Snakes? I hate snakes.
I hate snakes.
Indiana Jones?
Yeah. What does he say when he looks down into the pit? Is that what he says?
I think so. Yeah. In a very Harrison Ford way.
Oh, very good. Yeah. Man, those movies are on Netflix right now. I think I need to watch them.
Hey, I haven't seen them in a long, long time. You could make that a group movie night.
It's true.
Wouldn't you agree that's I guess most people do, that's the lesser of the three.
Oh, for sure. Yeah. The best one is probably
Crystal Skull.
Yeah, totally.
I just love Shia LaBeouf in that one.
Wow, what a movie, you know.
What were we actually gonna say?
Aliens. Last Crusade, by far the best.
Yeah. You have chosen poorly.
I've eaten my honeycomb and my honey. I have drunk my wine. My head is drenched with dew. My hair with the dampness of the night. I've taken off my robe.
I've taken off my robe.
I've taken up my robe. So I was saying we should do a Shamma parody of Hot Ones. Shamma Hot Ones.
Yeah. Do you like hot food?
We can have Brett. Sometimes. We could have.
It'd be fun to have Sean do something like that. I think he would be fun to watch.
Oh my gosh, yeah.
Yeah.
We can have.
do it.
Like
we can
when
have.
he ate all that wasabi at Miyako that one day, and he was just having something so absurd that everyone was staring at us.
Here's my idea. We do a Hot Ones parody with Bryce as the host and Josh, Willie, and Sean eat wings and answer questions.
I think Bryce would have some rad questions. Where is it? Did I throw that box away?
What?
So Willie, I'm sorting all the boxes.
Yeah.
And the worst thing I've ever seen, you had written on the box for the size 7 and 8s. It was size 7 and 8. Toe plugs, right?
Yeah.
They're mixed. But you wrote size 8 to 7. And then I was going over to the card and I was transcribing it. I'm like, this is the most warped, twisted thing I've ever seen. Completely backwards. 8 through 7, you know. I have one that I wrote down. I was like, darn it, what am I doing?
Yeah, I went bird watching. I saw between 13 and 7 whales. 7 birds.
This is a redundant box. We don't need redundancies. Okay.
Minimalize redundancies.
Absolutely.
That's what people say about me all the time.
I'm gonna make a double shelf here out of this. So your
Make
glue
it
stuff's
thicker?
gonna be on this side.
Okay, yeah, as long as it doesn't rain, that's fine. As long as the sun doesn't eventually hit it, that's the other thing.
Yeah.
It has to be out of the
Oh man, it's a lot of glue on this rack. Alright. There. Lily's got all the glue here.
I like that idea, though.
Yeah, so anyways, this is your glue realm, Lily.
Probably go a little farther out, though.
No, that's fine. I mean,
Just for this sake of this space. Here.
okay, I'm gonna pull it out like there.
Yeah,
that's
there we
fine.
go. A sec. I mean, yeah, we're gonna need it again for gem and these
That
ones.
way we can get rid of this shelf right here, this little shelf. There for now. There. I like it. All right, we got this. Good meeting, guys.
Okay.
Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe to our channel for more weekly content. And make sure to click the bell so that you'll be notified every time we post something new.